Welcome everyone. In today's video I wanted to talk about Solana's secret tax that you get charged when you do various different arbitrary actions on Solana. So this is called rent. So you could be sending an NFT to someone, you could be doing a trade on Serum, you could be opening an account to trade on Mango markets. You get charged rent. So the reason for this is that keeping accounts alive on Solana incurs a storage cost called rent, because the blockchain cluster must actively maintain the data to process any further transactions. So this is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum, where storing accounts doesn't occur any costs. So essentially what happens is that whenever you're doing like one of these accounts that incurs rent being paid, Sol is taken out of your wallet and then it's used to pay for storage costs. So Draffle is the first place I'm going to talk about, and this is probably the best place to go because it sort of has two places here where you can go ahead and claim your rent back. So draffle.io/tools, and we'll go to close token accounts. So this is a wallet cleanup tool, and I have 52 empty token accounts where I can claim Sol back. So when using the wallet cleanup tool, you're going to be claiming back, small amounts of Sol. However, it does add up over time, especially when Sol was like at $250. It's sitting about roughly $90 now, so it's a lot less, but you should still care about this. So as it says here, arbitrary actions that you do, you get charged rent. So why should you care? So although it is generally obscured behind a single fee displayed to you by dApps, this is actually a cost, aka rent, to opening and keeping open each token account. So that's currently about 0.02 Sol. At current market prices, that's not a lot, but like I said before, when Sol was like at $250, that was a significant amount of money. So right now it's about 18 cents. So if I close all of my empty token accounts, I could get back $9.36, which, it's a nice bit of pocket change, but we'll go on to other token account bits where you can, claim back more Sol. So what you're going to need to do, you can choose individual token accounts that you want to close, or you can just press close token accounts at once. It has a max of 27 token accounts at once, so I'll show you how to do it right now. Now, one thing that you are going to have to consider when doing this is that closing some of your empty token accounts might mess up with some farming positions that you have. I've done this before where I thought, it's time to close some token accounts. I closed some that I was actually using. So I was leverage yield farming like USDC or something like that. So I wasn't actually able to close that position until I opened up that token account again. And by opening up that token account, I had to do a swap for so if you don't want to have to bother with doing that, then don't close that token account. But yeah, there we go. Now if I go back onto close Serum Dex accounts, so Serum Dex users need an open orders accounts for each market they interact with. This account is used by the Serum Dex smart contract to record limit orders, fees accrued, and stuff like that. So the rent that you pay is 0.023 Sol. So I think this is about $1.80 at the current prices times. Yeah, that's about $2. So I have 3 closable Serum Dex accounts, so I can individually choose them. Again, you might want to actually individually choose which ones you want to close, because if you're going to do that trade again on Serum, you're just going to have to open that account up again. But for this, I'm just going to close all in one click. So remember, 1.628 Sol. Let me close this. I'll press approve and we can see how much Sol I've gotten back. So there we go, I have 1.698 Sol, and then the last place I want to go ahead and show you is Mango Markets. You didn't know this, you actually incurred a cost when opening up an account with Mango Markets to trade in. And if you're not using Mango Markets anymore, if you don't want to do any leverage trading, spot trading, on their order book decks, then you can go ahead and close your account. So you go to Mango Markets, go to account, log into your wallet, and then over this area here, it says close account. Make sure you take out, make sure that you close any positions that you have and take out most of the money. So, and once you've done that, you can press close account. And so what it does is that it deletes your Mango account, it withdraws assets worth 0, and it recovers 0.054 Sol. At current prices, let's take a look. 0.054. So the current price is $90 for Sol. So that's $4.86. Cool. So once you close this account, you're going to have to open it up again if you want to go ahead and trade on Mango markets again. So just keep that in mind. So I made an old video on my channel, you can go ahead and check it out, called How to Reclaim Your Sol, a PSA for Solana users. So I show here that I have a lot of token accounts that I can close. And if we skip forward, so it says I have 4.86 Sol in my wallet at the time. And then I close a ton of open order accounts. So there we go. I just skip forward and I have 4.95 Sol. So, you know, I hope you got some money back. You don't have to use Draffle to close your Serum Dex accounts. You can go to Prism Aggregator. You can go to Symmetry Finance swap platform. You can go to Cyclos Finance. You can go to various different dexes to close your Serum Dex accounts. But as far as I know, in terms of closed token accounts, Draffle is the best place to go for this. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.